In January 1991, A-7 Corsair II aircraft of Attack Squadron 46 were among the waves of coalition aircraft that unleashed Operation Desert Storm over Kuwait and Iraq. When pilots returned to the aircraft carrier USS John F. Kennedy, observations from their just completed missions were dutifully recorded in a logbook. These notes on tactics, enemy defenses, and other subjects informed the ensuing missions, as day after day, pilots flew over the beach into hostile skies. When Attack Squadron 46 returned from the combat deployment, Commanding Officer Commander Mark Fitzgerald flew one of the squadron's aircraft to Pensacola, where it remains on display in the museum. With it came the logbook and other materials from what was the final chapter of the A-7's storied service in naval aviation, which began during the Vietnam War.